Hello students, today we are going to start new lesson number 6, working with web browsers. Okay, web browser is a software application used to access web pages on the internet. It locates and displays web pages on the World Wide Web. Now we are going to see Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is a web browser that was developed by Microsoft and was first released in 1995. It is one of the most popular and widely used web browser. It allows the users to view and access information on the internet. Internet Explorer is a series of graphical web browsers developed by Microsoft and included in the Microsoft Windows line of operating systems. Starting in 1995, it was first released as part of the add-on package Plus for Windows 95 that year. Now we are going to see Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is a popular web browser for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It was developed by Mozilla Foundation and was introduced in 2004. Mozilla Firefox or simply Firefox is a free and open source web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation and its subsidiary, the Mozilla Corporation. Firefox uses the Gecko layout engine to render web pages which implements current and anticipated web standards. Firefox allows the users to use inbuilt tools such as Firebug. The Firefox was originally called Phoenix, then it was given the title Firebird, and finally it became Mozilla Firefox. Now we are going to see Google Chrome. Google Chrome is yet popular web browser that was developed by Google. It was released on December 11 in 2008. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. It was first released in 2008 for Microsoft Windows and was later ported to Linux, Mac OS, iOS and Android, where it is the default browser built into the OS. It allows the users to quickly access web pages and make local desktop shortcuts to open the web application in the browser. Google Chrome is extensively used by the users due to its stability and simplicity. Now we are going to see Safari. Safari is a web browser developed by Apple Inc. It was initially released on January 7 in 2003. Safari is a graphical web browser developed by Apple based on the WebKit engine. First released on desktop in 2003 with Mac OS X Panther. A mobile version has been bundled with iOS devices since the iPhone's introduction in 2007. Safari is the default browser on the Apple devices. It is available for Macintosh, Windows operating systems, iPhone, iPod, Touch and iPad. It supports private browsing, a mode in which the record of users' web activity is automatically deleted. It offers features like searching bookmarks, sharing tabs between Macs and iOS devices, and archiving web content in WebArchive format. Now we are going to see Opera. Opera is a web browser that developed by Opera Software and was released in 1995. Opera is a multi-platform web browser developed by Opera Software. Opera is a Chromium-based browser. It distinguishes itself from other browsers through its user interface, functionality, and other features. It comes as a default integrated web browser in several mobile phones. It allows the users to access information and connect with others anywhere in the world. Now we are going to see types of browsers. Browsers are mainly two types: graphical and text. First, we are going to see graphical browser. Graphical browsers such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape, Opera, and Google Chrome can be display text, images, and audio and video files. They are available for operating systems like Windows, Apple, and Linux. You can even download and install a graphical browser on your document. Like most modern computer programs, browsers use a graphical user interface (GUI). It means you can navigate by pointing and clicking with a mouse instead of just typing. Now we are going to see text browsers. A text browser shows web pages with only text and no graphics or animation. A text-based web browser is a web browser that renders only the text of web pages and ignores graphic content. Under small bandwidth connections, usually they render pages faster than graphical web browsers due to lower bandwidth demands. So it provides access to the web in the next mode only. Gopher is a popular text browser. Now we are going to see search engine. There are many search engines that search information on the web based on specific keywords typed in the search box. A search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web searches, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. The result that you get is a list of links that match with the keywords. Search engines vary in the way they find and list the content on the web. Some of the popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, and Rediff. Their URL are www.google.com, www.yahoo.com, and www.rediff.com respectively. Today we have seen different browsers and types of browsers and search engine. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.